Here is a 1973 Dino 246 GTS. We talked about this yesterday during the Veloce, Schnell, and Fast collection. Dino prices are just spiraling northward, John.
Such an important car in the lineup and the evolution, named after Enzo Ferrari's son, Dino. That is a 2.4-liter V6. It was rated 195 horsepower, 5-speed manual transmission. You notice those seats in there, known as the Daytona seats. And once again, Rosso Corsa with that signature tan interior. Look at the money, $450,000. We're not done yet.
Boy, just another Ferrari that for a long time was undervalued, and we often wondered when they were going to actually begin to reflect their collectability. The 308 Ferrari, the Mondials, the 348s, they really had to fight their way up into the upper echelon of collectability, and this is another example.
Yeah, but you know, Bill, they're 6s, they're not 8s. They lack the big muscular appeal of some of the later cars, and now they're just starting to pick up where they should have been years ago. Reserve is off on this 246 GTS at $475.
And it is not badged as a Ferrari, it is badged as a Dino. In fact, the only place I've ever seen Ferrari listed on a Dino is on the manufacturer's data plate.
Yeah.
Other than that, not a Ferrari badge on it. Some guys have added them.
They've added them, yes.
Yeah.
And that's because Enzo said Ferraris have V12s.
Yeah,
He doesn't have V12.
right.
It's not a Ferrari, and obviously a tribute to his son's is a Ferrari.
Hammer price on this 246 GTS, $475,000.
$475. Anybody? $475,000 for it. I have 450 bid. 470.